Did you notice the sentiment score at minus 0.15? That's not just a dip. It's a stark contrast to our historical baseline, hinting at a significant shift in business sentiment. Coupled with a momentum of minus 0.60, we're seeing a rare moment of negativity that could reshape strategic decisions. Our Business Sentiment API provides you with real-time insights, returning detailed sentiment scores and momentum data across multiple semantic clusters. For example, you can use this data to pinpoint struggling sectors and adjust your business strategies accordingly. In today's volatile environment, this insight can help you pivot quickly and focus on opportunities that others might overlook. Dive deeper into this data and see how it can enhance your analysis. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.